how to set up free shipping on Ecwid. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can quickly set up free shipping on your Ecwid store. So firstly, open up your Ecwid store and then after that log in. And then once you guys have logged in, on the left side you guys have the option for shipping and pickup. Click on that, and then now from over here you guys can just simply add in rates for local delivery, shipping, and also self pickup as well. So if you want to add in shipping rates, click on add shipping, and now from over here you can simply put in the name of the carrier, and then after that simply set it up. And of course you guys can set up free shipping. You guys can also set up conditional free shipping. You can also set up flat rate shipping to anywhere, and also a custom rate shipping. The process is as simple as this. Simply choose the one that you want to go with. After that, simply click on this blue box, and then now just fill in all the conditions or the rates that you guys want to charge, and then after that click on save and finish. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to set up shipping on Ecwid. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.